so much for joining us for another update on MarkTwainZephyr.com. Also our Facebook and Twitter pages at Mark Twain Zephyr. I'm Robert Taburn, Director of Passenger Development for the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. And we're here with the update for Sunday, August 29th, 2021. And we're going to start here in the Effie Dean, where our crews have been busy doing some of the plumbing and pipe work for the new air conditioning system.
I'll hold mine here, and if you just want to stick some glue into yours and push it into the hole.
I'll back up in here?
Yeah. Into the hole of the elbow.
Yeah, we'll back it up. Stop. Go about a 1/4 inch. Okay, now to go that direction a little bit.
Just stick the pipe up in there and pull it to where you need it.
Okay, don't move it.
No.
Okay. Where'd you put the glue?
How about if I go like that?
Okay.
Okay, alright.
There, it's in.
Alright.
Was that glue on that?
No.
Okay.
Because we got a couple different angles here I'm setting this.
Okay, I'm keeping it straight. Go that way. Before the glue's right. Okay.
Okay, that one don't matter, it can't turn, just push her in tight. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, and now we can let her lay down. Alright, man, thanks. You're the best, Lance.
I know.
I do so. Yeah. Like that, she go right down the hole. Right down her foot.
That's a real nice.
Hey, Brian.
You.
You want to make a 7-footer?
Surely.
There's more cardboard.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on 1 second.
Right by his line.
Both bada big, hey.
Well, from the Effie Dean now to the Huckleberry Finn, where a lot has changed just in the last week inside the kitchen area. Bob says that they installed some new coolers and freezers, closed off part of the back area of the car, finished the shelf that they were putting in last Sunday when we checked in, and also created an area for dishes and additional storage that is new. So a lot to see here on the Huckleberry Finn. Let's get aboard and check in with Bob. All right, so we are aboard the Huckleberry Finn, and we are in the dining car end where we're going to start out here. And what are you working on?
Well, we just, the air conditioning people were just here, and they got the lines hooked up, which we don't do. I mean, we do the electrical, we do everything. But now that these are ready to go in the near future here by next week, the ceiling, all this will be closed up in here. I'm starting a process to make the tables for in here.
So this is obviously the original.
Yeah, this is original.
Is that gonna
more likely
go, or is that just gonna be painted over?
I don't know. More likely than not, I'm gonna end up going across the bulk of this.
Oh, okay.
Because we got a couple different transitions here, and I'm gonna have to. I've been thinking for a little bit on how we're gonna do it.
Okay. Well, that's about the only old non-painted area of the car still.
Well, you know, a lot of this was original in here.
Oh,
but,
yeah.
You know, it just got cleaned and painted.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get that going this week. We'll be done, and then we've got a lot more accomplished up yonder here. I think last time, like you said, I was making the face for the cabinet.
Yeah. For this area, you said you're in the next couple of weeks.
This will be carpeted,
tabled. Okay.
This will be done.
So pretty much it'll be the last. This is the last passenger car still really left anything to do.
If these were installed.
You put those on last Sunday.
I did.
Yeah, you put.
Okay, but the counters in that weren't.
Oh, look at that! Nice. Oh wow.
You know what this is, Robert?
That's a tape measure.
Okay. Do you know how to read that?
Yeah.
Okay, just curious.
I've learned a lot since I started work. So did you have to cut this to fit
yeah,
in,
this
or?
is just a big piece.
Okay, and then down below were the
The racks
those were
will
the
go for-
racks. Okay.
With glasses, and then we got the
Oh, look at that! We have the cooler in there. Wow!
little
Look at that.
stash for a garbage can underneath there.
Oh, and
It's actually fit just for that.
and you bought me some Powerade. Thank you.
Sure, help yourself.
And so you have a little counter there as well. Wow! All this in the last week.
As promised, we got refrigerators.
Oh wow!
Look at that. Oh wait, there's no food in it. What happened?
Did you eat all the food, Bob?
No.
Oh wow! And we have.
Yeah, the lights even work. I can go turn them on for
Oh
you.
yeah, sure. Go
All right,
ahead.
man, you just stand right there. I don't want you to exert a sweat.
No. So we have new storage cabinets here in the kitchen of the Huckleberry Finn over on the right-hand side. Bob will turn on the lights there so we get a better view now of the kitchen. So these are new versions here of the storage cabinets for food or supplies or whatever.
Yeah.
And then you still have the original portion of the train here on the left.
We got faucets there ready to go in. Our cooktops are sitting here. We're just waiting right now for the
And then these will be you'll put in new fixtures, but into the old sink. Okay.
As soon as these tables get here, we got our stainless steel table. There's a small one right over there.
Oh.
But there's a couple larger ones. 'Cause
Okay.
we buy the tables and then I'll cut holes.
So those will go along underneath the cabinets.
Yeah, and then we'll cut holes into I'll cut holes into the tables, and we'll mount a 3-well steam table. Down on this end, we're gonna mount a couple burners, 3 stovetop burners into the tables. I think we'd went through that.
Mm-hmm. But you can picture it a little bit better now that
Yeah, and then this
cabinets
here
are
where the
in.
2 ovens are.
And the 2 sinks over here, you're gonna keep original,
Yep.
but again with just new fixtures,
Yep.
like the other one. So we have 3 sinks total.
Dishwasher.
A dishwasher will go under here.
So needless to say, that's your seat.
Oh, okay. I look forward to washing all those dishes.
And then hopefully it's a lot of dishes.
Yeah.
And then here will be the stoves.
Oh, okay. And you're gonna use the original
Yeah,
ventilation.
it'll be some type of an exhaust to pull some of the heat out. You know, it's hard to put holes into the roofs of here, so you try to utilize one if you have it.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there are other ones in here that had to get tinned off and closed up. And then I think we talked. You got the freezer that sits back here.
Oh, got another freezer. Oh, and you got that into as well. Wow. So most of the appliances in then.
Yep. Well, before we put these walls in back here, we wanted to make sure everything was in and gonna fit. I mean, there's just barely enough room to get the stuff out, but we're good to go here. And like I say, we're gonna concentrate on finishing up that end back there
Okay.
with the tables, the ceiling, and get it carpeted. Because unfortunately, still with COVID and deliveries of supplies and materials, I think I just found out these stoves ain't gonna be shipped for another 4 weeks.
Wow.
So, you know.
Normally you get them almost right away when you order them.
Yeah, so everything will be piece by piece, you know, as it comes in. So, you know, it doesn't really pay to concentrate on this because we can't get it. So we'll concentrate on that end and get that finished up, and as things trickle in for here, we'll be ready to put them in. And still waiting for stainless steel, because inside here this will all be covered with stainless. Back here will be covered with stainless.
Are there supply issues with the stainless steel then too, or
The person that we get it from, he has problems with it.
even getting some right
Yeah,
now?
and
Yeah.
it's not just the problems of getting it; it's the cost has went up 300%.
Wow.
Lumber and that finally came down a little.
Oh, are
bit.
they starting? Is it starting to?
Steel hasn't came down yet, and all back here, everything will be stainless in here.
Very nice.
Every place that matters.
Yeah. Wow. All right. So so the next week or so you'll be working on getting some of the tables done and the carpeting.
Yeah. By the end of next week, the ceiling will be in back there, and depending upon how fast I can get that in, I got to do some stuff between the registers. Well, actually, that'll get done after the carpeting, but there's a good possibility that the carpeting will be in by next week.
All right. Look forward to seeing you next Sunday. Thanks a lot, Bob.
All right.
All right. Yeah, before we wrap it up, we want to say a special thank you to everybody who turned out last Monday, August the 23rd, at the NRHS National Convention in Milwaukee, who attended our seminar. We hope you enjoyed learning all about the Mark Twain Zephyr and its restoration and rebirth. And we hope you had a great week touring the railroads of Illinois and Wisconsin as part of your national convention, and hope you had a safe ride home. That's it this week, August 29th, 2021, from the Mark Twain Zephyr. I'm Robert Tabor, Director of Passenger Development for the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Keep following us here on our YouTube channel, also our Facebook and website, www.marktwainzephyr.com, where we always post a lot of updates throughout the week. We'll see you again next Sunday, September the 5th. It'll be Labor Day weekend. And we'll have another update for you then. Until next week, take care, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us for another update on the Mark Twain Zephyr at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Before you go, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's really easy. Depending on what browser you have, just click on the red subscribe button on the lower right-hand side below the video screen, or perhaps it might be in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This way you won't miss any of our future updates. For restoration updates throughout the week, head over to marktwainzephyr.com and click on the Restoration Updates link. We usually add a few photos during the week. Our next video update will be next Sunday afternoon. And remember, you can stay in touch with us throughout the week 24/7 on social media. We mainly use Facebook at Mark Twain Zephyr. We also occasionally use Twitter at Mark Twain Zephyr as well. Once again, thanks for following us and liking us and supporting the Mark Twain Zephyr restoration effort at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. We'll see you back next Sunday at this time.
Fly